Alright guys, good evening. Welcome to D&D Breaks. Sorry for being a few minutes late. Had a basketball game with my son, so I was running a little bit late. So, thank you for your patience. Tonight we're breaking 3 blasters and 3 mega boxes of the 2021 Chronicles Draft. So there are 20 cards per blasters. It looks like 60 per megas. Megas, you have 1 autograph per box. So excited about this. Chronicles is always a good break, so let's go. If you miss any of the break, I want to see it again, I'll be on my Instagram right after, or on my YouTube channel, DD Card Breaks. Glad to see you back at it again tonight. Thank you very much. So let's pull some nice stuff. Chronicles are always a lot of different variations, a lot of nice value for your money. And here we go, starting right off the bat. Let's go. Trevor Lawrence, Jags, Etienne, Jacksonville. For Bobby, Patrick Surtain, Denver, Najee Harris, Pittsburgh, and pink, Devontae Smith, Donruss Optic for Philly. And Don and the Eagles. So Don with the pink optic. And Trevor Lawrence. The old 1981 Topps baseball look. So a nice Devontae Smith right off the bat for the Eagles. Alright. Everybody should get something here tonight. I would hope there's another Trevor Lawrence. Back-to-back Trevor Lawrences. 1, 2... One is Pink Chronicles. So the second one here is pink. So back-to-back Lawrence's, Kyle Trask and Kyle Trask Illusions. And Trevor Lawrence Spectra. So Jacksonville, right off the bat. 1, 2, 3, 4 Lawrences. Right off the bat for the Jaguars. So there we go. Good start for Jacksonville. Pack number 3. Newman. Mac Jones. There you go, Daniel. Back at it. Mac Jones, Devontae Smith, Kwity Paye, and Terrace Marshall for Jacksonville, Carolina Panthers. So let's get... So our optics there, we'll have a Lawrence pile, we'll have a Mac Jones pile, a Fields pile of all the quarterbacks out there. Let's see who we get the most of tonight. Trevor Lawrence, Prestige. Pink, Najee Harris, Pittsburgh. There we go, Pittsburgh and Don. Jamie Newman, Dylan Moses, Jacksonville, and Jamie Newman Select. Alright, so the first blaster is complete. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 5 Trevor Lawrences. So, good start for Bobby and the Jags. Let's go to blaster number 2. Blaster number 2. Alright. Next 20 going down. Thank you for joining us on this, I don't even know what day. Oh, it's Monday. That's right, beginning of the week. Monday evening. Jamie Newman, Jamar Chase, Cincy, Mac Jones, Rookies and Stars for Daniel, Zach Wilson for the Jets, and Daniel and Trevor Lawrence, rated rookie, Jacksonville. So another Lawrence, you may be right. I'm going to try, buddy. I'm going to try to get everybody something good. That's why we do it. All right. Mac Jones. There we go. Kellen Munns. I agree with you on him. I've been buying him up as much as I can, to be honest with you. There's a Patrick Surtain. I do not believe it is a silver, but... Oh. Just double check. Yeah, I think it is. You are correct. That is a silver. Silver Trevor Lawrence. Very good. Let me top load that baby for you right now. Silver Lawrence. Good start here. Box 2, Kyle Pitts, Devontae Smith, and Carlos Basham. So good call. I was checking the lights. Silver. Trevor Lawrence, rated rookie. The Jags are off to a hot start tonight. There we go. Put him in the pile. Will there be a Lawrence auto in there? The rate that that's going, I hope so. All right, Najee Harris, Michael Carter, Waddell, Miami, Caleb Farley, and Trey Lance. Select Niners, San Fran, and Phillip. So a Phillip for a Lance select. Start a Trey Lance pile over there. All right, and the last one. Good start to the Chronicles. Like I always like breaking the Chronicles. You get a lot of good stuff. And it looks like we are going to have an auto. And it is Divine Diablo. Divine Diablo. You guys are going to have to help me with that one. If you guys could just check. My computer is no juice down here. Trevor Lawrence. Pink Trevor Lawrence right there. And Zach Wilson Spectra. So we got a Zach Wilson for the Jets. The Daniel. It's not the same Daniel, not Daniel C for the Patriots. Another Trevor Lawrence. And if you guys could help me with Divine Diablo. See what team he is going to for the auto. Divine Raiders. Las Vegas Raiders. There we go. Diablo. All right. Last one. Last blaster. One, two, three, 4. 5 cards per pack. Let's go. Then we get to the Megas. All right, Michael Carter, Jets, Marshall, Carolina, Najee Harris, Pittsburgh, Ojolari, the Giants. There's Kellen Mond right there. Optic, rated rookie, Minnesota. And that is for Kyle. Kyle. Rated rookie, Kellen Mond. For the Vikings. And that looks like it may be... Is that a silver as well? I'm in trouble here. My eyes are failing me. So Kellen Mond. Minnesota. Optic rated rookie. All right. Rondale Moore, Arizona. We have another auto. I believe the Mond is a silver as well, guys. Here's another auto, and that is going to be Javon McKinley. If you guys could help me out with that as well. McKinley, auto, Chase. Rondale Moore, Arizona, and Quitty Pay, Indy. So Javon McKinley, auto number 2. Who is he going to tonight? I don't know if he'll break Brady's records, but I'm high on him as well. So Devontae Smith, Lamar Chase, Prestige Pink, Patrick Surtain, Denver. Nico Collins, and then Justin Fields. Select. Beautiful one right there. So Lions, Detroit with the auto. And our first Justin Fields select. Nice one right there. All right, last one for the blasters. Good blaster break so far. Freyamuth, Chase, Kyle Trask. Third one there for Tampa. And Chris, Elijah Moore, Pink, and Trey Lance, Spectra, Niners, Phillip. All right, first three blasters down. Excellent start. Let's get a big auto here. Let's go. First mega coming at you. 12 mega box, 10 mega box exclusive green parallels. So green parallels, 10 mega box exclusive. These, I believe, have the what's the one I'm looking for? Oh, when I see it, I'll know when I'm drawing a blank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 it is. So let's go. Yeah, Micah, you hope you get a Micah Parsons. He's going to be a good one. You should get some Micahs here. I hope. Jalen Waddell. Another auto, number 3. And that is going to be Marvin Wilson. Marvin Wilson, Florida State Seminoles. Again, if you guys can help me with Marvin Wilson, Rondale Moore, Carlos Bashman, and Trevor Lawrence. Rated rookie optic number 2. This one is not a silver. So 2 rated rookies. Trevor Lawrence's. Jacksonville. Bobby. There you go. Browns. Cleveland Browns. Marvin Wilson auto. So we have 3 autos so far. Nobody big. Ian Book. No turn. Micah Parsons. There we go, Dallas. You got one for you right there. Elijah Moore, Jets. Seth Williams and a Kyle Pitts Green Spectra. Nice Kyle Pitts Green Spectra for Chris in Atlanta. Kyle Pitts belongs out there as well. All right. All right, Caleb Farley, Sean Wade, Baltimore, Devontae Smith, Trey Lance, Niners, and Rashad Bateman for Baltimore. So another Lance for the Niners. Who was the nine? Phillip. Here we go, Phillip. Only one field so far. He'll be coming. He'll be coming. Prestige, Molden, Kyle Trask, Trevor Lawrence, playoff, Jamie Newman, and Jalen Waddell, Dolphins. So another Lawrence to the mix. Terry, Elijah Moore, Jets, Terrace Marshall, Panthers, Jamar Chase, Cincy, and Rashad Bateman, Baltimore. Out week 1, but looking for big things for Bateman this year is the Ravens. All right, Rondale Moore, Arizona, Green, Kyle Trask, Prestige, playoff, Zach Wilson, Newman, and Chubba Hubbard, Carolina. Zach Wilson playoff is a Mega Box exclusive, I believe, of playoffs. Well, halfway home here, box number 1 on the Megas. Waddell, Kyle Pitts, playoff, Atlanta. Javion Hawkins and Elijah Molden, not Moulton. All right. Well, last 4, box 1. Come on, let's go. Chubba Hubbard, Devontae Smith, bunch of those. Tony, first one for the Giants. Rondale Moore, Arizona, and Najee Harris, select, Pittsburgh. That's a big year for us, Don, and the Steelers. They need a running game. Nico Collins, Houston. Jamar Chase, Trey Lance, playoff. Kyle Pitts. And Jamie Newman. All right, we got to get a Mund right here. Let's go. We got one for you so far. We got to add them up. Let's go. We got to pick it up here. Jamar Chase, Jabba Hubbard, Rashad Bateman, Etienne Jacksonville, and Etienne Spectra. The Vikings. We need some Vikings. Devontae Smith, Javonte Williams, Najee Harris, Pittsburgh. San Diego Chargers, Roundtree, and Kenneth Gainwell, rated rookie optic, Philadelphia. So Don having a nice Steeler and Eagles. Last one. Michael Carter, Roundtree, Chargers, green. Tutu Atwell. There we go. It is an illusion. Kellen Mund, illusion, Minnesota. And Justin Fields. Justin Fields. Here we go. Add him to the Fields. 98 season. Is that when they were 15-1? Was that the year they were 15-1, 98? That year's just mixing. All right, box 2, Megas. All right, 6 and 6. Box is empty. Slide these down a little bit so I give myself a little room. Come on, let's get a big auto here. Somebody. Haven't pulled a big auto yet. All right, let's go. First pack, box 2. Thank you for joining us, guys. Appreciate it. Tutu Atwell. Quentin Morris. Quentin Morris, rookie signatures. Somebody can help me with Quentin, I'd appreciate it. Justin Fields, green. There we go, Justin Fields. And Seth Wilson, optic rated rookie. So another Justin Fields for the Bears. And Brendan. Nice Justin Fields. Didn't see it, but I already had a pretty good debut. And we have Quentin Morris for our auto. All right, but pack 2. Waddell, Devontae Smith, Trey Lance, playoff. Javion Hawkins and Elizari. Bills auto. So the Bills was for Quentin Morris. Thank you for Buffalo. Bills on the board. All right, Trey Lance, playoff. All right, Ian Book. Justin Fields, the old 89 score look. Tutu Atwell, Rondale Moore, and Devontae Smith. Philly. So Philly got a bunch of Smiths. Another Justin Fields. All right. Jamie Newman, Justin Fields, throwback. Zach Wilson, playoff. Kyle Pitts, playoff. Elijah Moore, Jets. Etienne, Jacksonville. So we're getting the Lawrences and the Etiennes for you. We got Zach Wilson to his pile. And Justin Fields. Daniel, we haven't got a Mac Jones in a while. We're due. We're going to get a Mac Jones for you. All right. Nice. All right, well, let's go. Hey, Micah Parsons, Elijah Molden, Terry, Greg Rousseau, first one for Buffalo. There's a Mac Jones select. There you go. There you go. Mac Jones select for Daniel and the Patriots. Adding to his Mac Jones. Hope he's starting for you. Waddell, Caleb Farley, Najee Harris, Pittsburgh, Jalen Waddell, and Terrace Marshall, Carolina. Alright, Chuba Hubbard, Najee Harris, throwback 81, Mac Jones, playoff, Jamie Newman, and Najee Harris, Pittsburgh, Spectra. Another Mac Jones. I know you've been a few packs here without a Lawrence. He's due. Terry, Green, Wallace. There he is. Trevor Lawrence, playoff. Mac Jones, illusion. And Rondale Moore, select. So another Mac Jones. Let me get some more of my card sleeves running. Oh, the rest upstairs went through a package already. So we got a Mac Jones. Take care of Mac and Lawrence. Winding down, we have a 4 left, box 2. Mega. Box 2. Devontae Smith, Jamar Chase, Sage Surratt, Detroit, Jalen Waddell, Miami, and Chuba Hubbard, rated rookie, Carolina. Elijah Moore, Rondale Moore, Tony, Giants, Zach Wilson, green, there we go, green illusion, Zach Wilson, and Elijah Moore, Jets. So Zach Wilson for Daniel, Wilson to Moore, that's what he's hoping to hear a lot this year for the Jets. All right, Nico Collins, Justin Fields, green, prestige, Elijah Moore, Justin Fields, and Trevor Lawrence. So we get 2 Fields and a Lawrence. Add into the piles. '21 draft. That's why I like these guys haven't even played yet. Looking forward to the 2021 class to go along with last year's class. It'll be an exciting football season. All right. Alazare, Seth Wilson, Bateman, Bashman, and there we go. Another Mund Optic rated rookie, not a silver. But there we go. A nice one to have right there. For my Vikings and Kyle. There you go, Kyle. All right. As we get to our last box, it seems like the auto's been in this first pack. So I'm going to move that around, hopefully to get it for the last one. The last one. Let's rock and roll. 12 left. Move these top ones to the bottom, so we can see how those autos been on the top. All right, let's go. Last box, guys. Let's finish strong. Najee, Pittsburgh. Lawrence. Mac Jones. Javonte Williams. So as Mac Jones is a green Mac Jones. Daniel. And another Trevor Lawrence. Add it to that big pile over there. right, Jamie Newman. Jamar Chase, Najee Harris, and Kyle Pitts Spectra. Najee Harris Prestige, Patrick Surtain, T. Wallace, Rashad Bateman, Nico Collins, Houston. Me too, I'm having faith. There we go, another Trevor Lawrence Prestige, Tutu Green, Waddell, Trey Lance, Rondale Moore. Sleeves are running out. The rest of my packages are upstairs. Hopefully I have enough. Winding down to the final few. If not, just have to sleeve them off camera. Foyers. Alright. Etienne, Jacksonville, Trevor Lawrence, Tutu, Javonte Smith, and Olave, Giants. Gonna conserve them, so I don't want to run upstairs right now. At the end, Trey Sermon, Niners, Terry, Marquez Stevenson, Buffalo, and Kadarius Toney. Nice select one for the Giants. And John D. Logos, Trevor Lawrence. Jalen Waddell auto. There we go. We finally get a Spectra in the zone. There's a decent auto. You had faith. There we go. Miami. Daniel M. within the zone. Jalen Waddell green Spectra auto. Finally with somebody good. Mac Jones, Justin Fields, and Roundtree. That is a good pack right there. So nice one for the Miami Dolphins. Jalen Waddell, green Spectra in the zone. Best one that I've seen so far out of here. So there we go. Lawrence, Mac Jones. Where's my... Alright, these I'm going to just put aside for right now. Start a new pile because my rest of my sleeves are upstairs. Alright. Next pack, Mac Jones. Put this pile aside here. Another Mac. Devontae Smith. Bunch of Devontae Surratt. Javonte Williams and Trey Lance. Optic rated rookie. Trey Lance. Optic rated rookie for the Niners. Nice one there. The Niners. Phillip. That's right. Phillip with the Trey Lance. So throw him in the pile, top load that for you. Like that one. Najee Harris, Justin Fields Prestige, Bateman, Jalen Waddell Green, and Trey Lance Spectra. Another Lance. Trying to get another one for the Minnesota, for the Vikings. Justin Fields, Green, Roundtree, Toney, Giants. There we go. Kellen Mond, Minnesota Illusions, and Justin Fields Select. So a Justin Fields Select. These boxes are loaded, guys. Like I said, just get a lot of them. Mac Jones. Like to have them a little more rare, but like you said, what are you gonna do? Elijah Moore, you get a lot of good stuff out of it. And the last one, Kellen Mond Chronicles, Waddell, Trey Lance Playoff, Etienne, and Kyle Trask rated rookie. Nice one there for Tampa Optic. All right, for Chris. All right, guys. I don't know. Where should I start? Quick recap. I have some over here as well. I've ran out of sleeves. 1 2 3. I have to sleeve these in a minute when I go upstairs. 5 Kellen Munns for Minnesota. Okay, we got our Pitts and our Gainwell. I just wanted to put those to the side. Devontae Smith, pink rated rookie, optic, beautiful there. All right, Justin Fields, select 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 Justin Fields. Nice one there. Trey Lance. The optic. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 Trey Lance. Zach Wilson. He's got the short stack tonight. 1. Got a green. 2 3 4 5 Zach Wilsons. Mac Jones. Green. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 Mac Jones. Nice auto. Miami green in the zone. Jalen Waddell, Dolphins. Trevor Lawrence, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 silver. 10 11 12 13 14 15 Trevor Lawrence's. And our autos, Quentin Morris, I said Buffalo, Marvin Wilson, I believe Cleveland, McKinley, Detroit maybe, and Diablo. Can't remember where he was from. Alright guys, thank you very much for joining us. Like I said, if you missed any of the break or you want to see it again, it will be on my YouTube channel, TD Card Breaks, or right here on Instagram. Look for the rest of my breaks this week. And I'll be doing some more Prism Draft football, Prism basketball at the end of the week, some more soccer. Broncos, I'll go through them, but I don't know. I know we have a lot of, what was it, Javonte Williams. I know there's a lot of Patrick Surtains. So I'll see what I can do. If you want to stay on and watch the Broncos, you can. All right, guys, thank you very much for being with us. Hope to see you soon on D&D Breaks. Elijah Moore. Devontae Williams. Another Devontae Williams. There's a Williams. What was the other Williams I had? Williams. Devontae Smith. Waddell, Collins, Bateman, Wallace, Surtain. There's 2 there. Javonte Williams, 3. Rousseau, Micah Collins, so far just those 3. I know we got more. I know we got more Surtains in here. So let's see. Javonte Williams. Don't believe I'm missing anybody else from the Broncos, but I'll have to double check. I know it's Surtain and Williams. Bateman. All right, last stack. Quitty Bay. Another Quitty Bay. Patrick Surtain. Dylan Moses. That looks like it's all right. That looks like it's the Broncos right there. We have Surtain, Williams, Surtain, and Williams. So, all right, guys. Thank you very much. Appreciate you being with us. Hope to see you again soon on D&D Breaks.